what's up? So I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. So you go like this. See how I'm holding the paper? Don't hold it like this. Hold it like this. Then fold it this way, like this. Then crease it. And you see how I got like this, a book. Then open it up. Then fold it. Then fold one corner like, then fold one corner so it looks like this. Okay? Then fold that other, do the same thing on the other side. See? And then fold it in half like this. Okay, so then you have this. Kind of looks like a fish, doesn't it?
Let's read that so we can
Exactly.
it.
And then, no, I don't want to do that. Fold it like this. So you go like this. Put your finger right there. Then actually, so it's like this, isn't it? Yeah. So then put your finger right here at the end, like that. And like that. Then fold this side like this. And crease it. And then you have this. And do that to the other side. Put this in. And then there you have it. A paper airplane. Now you just gotta tape it and you can add like stickers. So
Peace, love, and fun.
peace out like a trout.